Are your breathing patterns a cause for concern? Shallow, quick breathing is associated with what is known as our fight or flight nervous system, also called our survival nervous system. This type of breathing pattern is seen when we are under stress. Our nervous system is designed that way so we can escape a burning building or run from an oncoming attacker. Once these dangers are over, however, we should move into a slower, deeper breathing pattern. This is associated with our healing nervous system. This is the part of the nervous system that allows our immune system to function, our digestive system to work properly, and even our reproductive system to work properly, among other things. When we are in a constant level of stress, however, we get stuck in a pattern that stimulates our survival nervous system, not allowing us the chance to rest, digest, heal, and grow. You can break that pattern. There are numerous ways to break that pattern, but one simple way is by controlling our breathing patterns. Research is very clear that by consciously controlling your breathing patterns, you can reduce anxiety, improve sleep, reverse depression, and one study even showed that proper breathing might even reduce your risk of cancer. There are numerous types of breathing patterns. The following pattern is designed to help you relax and move from a survival mode to a healing mode. A couple of things before we start. If you are new to breath work, you may begin to feel lightheaded. If so, please stop and resume again later. This will improve with practice. Next, make sure you are breathing with your belly. This is very important. A great way to do this is by placing your hand on your belly and feel it expand as you breathe in and then go back down as you breathe out. Lastly, always inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Depending on your level of stress, most people start to feel a sense of relaxation within 5 minutes. As your stress levels improve, this time will lessen. Feel free to do this multiple times a day or when needed during a stressful situation. Here we go.